Hello, sir. My name is John Luis Cuswan, 18 years old, from Barangay Tinobdan, Palumpon, Leyte. BSMT 1 Charlie. Contemporary science shows that the universe had a beginning through the Big Bang Theory. This discovery suggests that the universe did not exist forever but started at a certain point of time. Because everything that began to exist must have a cause. And many philosophers and scientists believe that there must be a powerful cause behind the universe. For many people, this cause is God. God who created the universe, designed the universe, and the law of nature. What do you mean who created God? God is believed to be eternal and not created by anything. In philosophy, God is understood as a necessary being who has always existed and does not depend on anything else. If everything needed a creator, then there would be no first cause. Therefore, many philosophers believe that God is the first cause who created the universe but was not created himself. Because God is spaceless, timeless, and cannot be created by anything. And that is God.